y'all go, man? Welcome to the Cooking General, man. Boy, today I got something for you for Super Bowl. Man, you know what? I had this idea a long time ago, man. And they didn't even submit my idea. It was like, man, that's crazy. I told them let's do some popcorn chicken and popcorn shrimp. But no, they didn't want to do it. They talking about, oh, popcorn chicken, popcorn shrimp gotta be small. Like the size of a popcorn. No, it doesn't. That ain't what I said. Who, they didn't listen to me. Come in, let me show you do some popcorn chicken and shrimp. Now, first of all, you're gonna need some shrimp. Then you're gonna need some chicken breast. This is tenderloin. Spank it right there. That's what you're gonna do. Now for your batter, you're gonna need your eggs, and these are yard eggs, flour, some cayenne pepper, and some Creole seasoning. And then you need some diced jalapeno and some diced habanero. That's gonna give it the spice. We're gonna serve it with fries. And then we're gonna have a dipping sauce made with blue cheese, ranch dressing, mild cheddar, and we're gonna have some diced tomatoes with habaneros, and we're gonna need some rich to fry it in. Boy, I'm telling you. And the secret of this here whole thing is you're gonna need some 100% real popcorn. Yes, this is gonna be ingredients in the batter. Oh, they don't know. I went to a restaurant the other night. It was called Oaks Restaurant. Oh man, it's in Round Top. Oak Restaurant in Round Top. If y'all live in this area, you know about Oaks Restaurant. If you don't, you need to go there. It's in Round Top, and I ordered some popcorn shrimp, and I ordered some fish. It's all you can eat on Fridays. Man, and it was good. Nice place to go. And guess what? The bill wasn't even that bad. But when they see me walk in the restaurant, the Cooking General, they get all nervous. Oh, that's the Cooking General, he know how to cook. You don't got to be scared of me. Let me show you what they did. Ask somebody. Welcome back to the Cooking General, man. We got this popcorn chicken and popcorn shrimp going good, man. Come here, let me show you this here. Now, I washed my shrimp off, I deveined them right here. I got my chicken washed off and deveined. Now, on my batter, I put my flour, I use a little milk. Use my milk for my base, my flour. I put my cayenne pepper and my Creole seasoning off in here. Now, you want to stir that up real good. And then you want to also add your habaneros and your jalapenos off in there. That ain't gonna do with this phone. I'm gonna get everything out there. There we go. Now, we got that taken care of. Now, you wanna mix all that up. That's your batter right there. See there? Good chunky batter. Oh man, it's not too thick, not too thin, that's what you want. Now, your eggs, you wanna whisk them up. Now, you whisk your eggs up, you wanna put a little hot sauce in the eggs. I always add a little hot sauce in my eggs. There we go. Now, I want to put just a little bit more cayenne pepper in the eggs. There. And you want to whisk them up. Now, I took my popcorn and I blended it. Put it in a blender, made it into a powder. Get that all out of there. Now, there you go, your popcorn. Now, you want to take your shrimps by the tail, put them in your egg wash. Then, into the batter. You want to coat them good. So, you can use a fork. And I left a little tail on them. See ya? It's got the peppers on them. Then, look at that. Lay them off in that. Look at that. That's popcorn. Put them there. Do another one. Put them there. That batter on them. Lay them off in there. That popcorn. Bam. Chicken, same way. Put them in there. Put that layer on them. Right in the popcorn. And I'm gonna put them in a different grease. And let them fry. Y'all come back, man. I'm telling you, this is gonna be good. Man, I'm gonna get my fries going. And I'm gonna get my dip show. I'm gonna show you how to do that dip. And we're gonna have it on. And when I come to your restaurant next time, don't do this to me. Ask somebody. Oh, there y'all go, man. We got it. Super Bowl time. Come in, let me show you the ultimate Super Bowl time. Popcorn, shrimp, and chicken. Real popcorn, shrimp, and chicken. Come on over here and let me show you. Man, now, look at that there. Look at the peppers. Look at the details. Look at it. Look at the fries. Look at that. You got the habaneros in there. You got the jalapenos there. And you got the popcorn. The really popcorn there. Real popcorn. Now, for the sauce, all you need to put in there, blue cheese, ranch dressing, rotel, and cheese. There you go. Look at that. Dip it in there like that. Fry. Your chicken. Look at that. And you got that hot, spicy taste. Man, this is a Super Bowl winner. So next time you make this up, tell the people I want real popcorn chicken and real popcorn shrimp. And you'll get it. And I'm gonna be going down to some restaurants too. Oaks Restaurant, you got thumbs up in my book. So next time I come to your restaurant, don't run off like these people. Like this one boy did, cause I guess he like, that's a cookie general. Man, I'm just an ordinary person like you. Ask somebody. See you in the next video.